Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install this portfolio Trevett outdoor wall light. I purchased this wall light in my local Lowe's and it cost only $33. Black steel fixture with seated glass is weather resistant and sturdy. I also bought vintage style LED light bulbs made by General Electric. Let's start assembling wall light. Install decorative metal arm to the back plate. Screw the decorative cap on top of the holder. Install a light bulb. Before you start installing your wall light, you need to turn off your electricity. Using two screws provided, install a crossbar. Connect a ground wire to a crossbar. Start connecting wires, white to white, black to black, and copper wire to ground wire. Hide all of the wires with wire nuts inside of the electrical box. As you can see, a nipple on the crossbar sticks out too much. Unscrew a nut on the nipple and make your adjustments. Secure a back plate with a screw provided. To start installing a glass shade, you need to remove all screws from a holder. Start securing a shade using screws. Turn the power on. And now let's check if our light works. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.